Working on a wind energy project and got handed a WD3 file containing terrain data? This is a map file from WAsP, the industry standard wind farm siting software. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to open and use these WAsP map files. Pro tip: for WD3 files that won't cooperate, you need a dedicated magic solution. I'll share my secret weapon program once we've exhausted all 3 troubleshooting steps. A digital map file used by WAsP, Wind Atlas Analysis and Application Program. A PC program for predicting wind climates and power production from wind turbines. Users, typically engineers and scientists, need to open these files to conduct wind resource assessments, site wind farms, and analyze topographical data for energy projects. The WD3 format is a proprietary binary file containing vector data that describes terrain elevation and surface roughness. This structure is optimized for the specific computational models within WAsP, allowing for efficient calculations of wind flow over complex terrain. The design prioritizes accuracy and performance for its specific scientific purpose. When viewing the file metadata, the WD3 shows a direct link to WAsP from DTU Wind and Energy Systems. The complex layout and formatting tags are not correctly parsed by Windows defaults. Windows cannot draw maps or regions from the data, so GIS applications are required. Let's find the specific program that recognizes the file signature. Right-click the WD3 file and hit Open With. Test WAsP if available. If not, choose a different app. Compatibility is the likely issue. If you still cannot open your WD3 file, that is okay. We've simplified the problem to 3 distinct common points of failure. This quick list shows you what those problems are and how to quickly confirm them. First, opening in WAsP. Install WAsP from DTU Wind Energy and launch the application. Use File then Open Map to load the WD3 file. WAsP displays the terrain and roughness data on the map view ready for wind climate analysis, turbine siting, and annual energy production calculations within the WAsP project workflow. Next, editing in WAsP Map Editor. Use the WAsP Map Editor, a companion application to modify WD3 map data. Open the WD3 file, edit contour lines, roughness boundaries and obstacles, then save the updated map. The map editor provides specialized tools for preparing terrain data for accurate wind flow simulations. Finally, importing GIS data. Convert WD3 maps to or from standard GIS formats using WAsP's import and export functions, which support shapefile and other formats. This enables integration with QGIS or ArcGIS workflows, where you can prepare terrain data in your preferred GIS environment, then import to WAsP for wind analysis. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. Since we tried everything on the format, it's time for the professional fix. FileMagick is your best bet for files that are unreadable by Windows or standard open source programs. You can find it at filemagick.com. Confirm your success in the comments, hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming technical guides.